Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or enable safe mode. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go down, set system. Go down, set restart. Then we need to press and hold OK button or set button on the remote. Let me press and hold. Then select reboot to safe mode. Set it. Now device is restarting. Please wait. Okay, done. See, now this device in safe mode. So you can see safe mode label on bottom left corner. But here the problem is this remote is not working in this safe mode. So I will show you how to fix that. So first we need to press and hold this reset button over here on the back side of this device. Let me press and hold this reset button. So when you see searching for accessories, at that point you can release the reset button. Then take the remote, then press and hold these two buttons together, back and home buttons. Let me press and hold. Done. Paired. See, so this way we can pair this remote. Then later if you want to exit from the safe mode, we have two options. We can remove this cable, then connect it back, or we just turn off and turn on the device, or we can go to all settings, system, go down, then set a restart and restart the device. So this way also you can exit from the safe mode. Just restart it. That's all. So you can try this. Okay, done. See, now device in normal mode. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.